Hey, what's going on guys? Jerks here, and welcome to another unboxing. Now what I've got in front of me here is the MacBook M1 Pro 13-inch. Now I believe they're saying something about the 15-inch coming out, I believe it was either this year or next. But what we've got in front of us is a upgrade for me for my 2017, which I will do a comparison of later, but for now, let's get this open. Oh, right, I forgot, with Apple products, you actually don't need that, because like all Apple products, it just comes with a pull tab. So, pull that, and I'm gonna just kind of shimmy this off, or I guess it's have to kind of split on one side. So there we go. Get that out of the way. This I'm going to move out of the way too. And then you can take the lid, very gently lift. We don't want to lift the box itself and drop the box, because we obviously don't want to drop the MacBook. And there we go. Now this is, I believe, the space gray. And weirdly enough, this lid, no padding. If I go, I actually have my 2017 box here. My 2017 box actually has like a bit of foam padding. So interesting that they decide to kind of cheap out on that. But let's lift it. And ooh, not gonna peel off this quite yet, but it comes wrapped in a nice film. We'll put the computer on the side here for now. And then got our little information thing here. One thing I want to check for. Oh, it looks like, does it? Are those what I think they are? Oh, come on, get out. Ooh, it is. They're not white anymore either. They're like silver. That's cool. But I'm not going to be sticking these on anything anytime soon. Anything else in here? So, just your basic setup manual. And then got our charging cable. Now, yeah, it's Lightning or USB-C. And then we've got ourselves an adapter back here, which, yeah, you plug in there. Another thing this didn't come with that the old one did is like an extension cable. Because by 2017, get out of the tangles here from my computer. So 2017 actually came with a bit of an extension, which what you do is basically pull out the part where you put the plug, and then you plug in this. Now I will unwrap that charger though. So I want to see, did they make it so that you can put, ooh, looks like it comes off. You can see that it's a separate piece. Ooh, this also feels, I don't know, heavier than the other one. This one feels lighter than this. So that's an interesting thing that's going on. This one also doesn't have the things that comes out at the side to wrap up that extension cable, but oh yeah, I can still use that extension cable. So here we go. And just take it, slide it in, boom. And then charging cable there. And we've got like, I'd say a good 2 or 3 feet more of cable to charge this with. there you have it, guys. That is everything that comes with the new MacBook M1 Pro. Hope you all enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to check out the description down below, comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And hit that bell to subscribe. This is T-Rex signing off. Peace! Alright, starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so here I've got both of them actually booted up and ready to go. Now the first thing I actually noticed, opening up the Pro is the Air is actually thicker at the bottom, but also it is shorter and the bezels on the screens are just a lot thinner. So they've actually been able to make this smaller, probably more compact too, to kind of fit more in backpacks and stuff, most likely. Then the biggest feature, of course, is right here, the touch bar and the Touch ID. Now, for me, yeah, this is going to be used for video editing, you know, surfing the web and stuff when I don't want to have the big computer on. And yeah, there, I guess, isn't much of a difference. Now the M1 chip and such, I'll probably do a totally different video on comparing it once I've used it more. But guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed.